Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the cat from 99 Nights in the Forest. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the snout. Let's start with a curve across. Then underneath, let's draw the nose with a small curve. And angle it down, meeting at a point. Now underneath, let's draw a line down in the center. Now let's hop out and let's draw a curve back in on each side. Now underneath the snout here, let's draw the mouth. Let's start with two long lines down. And then a curve across at the bottom. Now let's do the same thing inside to add a border. And that's it for the mouth. Now on top, let's draw the eyes. Let's start on the top left and we're going to draw an oval on an angle. And the same thing on the right side. Next, inside each eye for the pupils, let's draw a curve down from the top and back up. And color these both in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and draw the shape of the head. Let's start by drawing a curve across on top, keeping it close to the eyes. Then from each side, let's curve it down and out. Then at the bottom, let's curve it back into the mouth. Now on top of the head, let's add the ears. Let's start with two curves up and out. Then curve it down at the ends. Now top inside and let's add two curves down in the same way. Next, we're going to hop inside the ears and let's start in the bottom corner and let's draw 3 V-shaped points out like this. And that's it for the ears. Lastly, for the head, let's add the whiskers. Let's draw 3 long curves out on each side. Now that we're done the head, let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start next to the mouth and let's draw 2 curves down for the neck. And curve it back in. Now at the bottom, let's draw a small line out for the shoulders. Now for the torso, let's bring it down and curve it in, meeting at the center. Next, let's hop out to the sides and draw the arms. Let's draw a curve down and another one underneath. Now let's bring it up with 2 angles. Now at the ends here, let's draw the hands. Let's start with a large circle. And then inside, we're going to draw an upside down heart. Now let's add the first finger on top. Now let's hop over and let's draw the next one. Another one next to it. And a smaller one going down. And then inside each finger, let's draw a circle at the end. Now at the end of each finger, let's draw the nails by drawing a curve up and back down. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. Let's start underneath on the left and we're going to draw a long curve down and back up. And the same thing on the right side. Now underneath each leg, let's draw 2 small angles down. And let's angle it back in. Next, on the inside, let's add a bump. And bring it down. And then from the other line, we're going to extend it down with a small angle. Now to add the toes, let's add a bump up and a curve across at the bottom. Now let's do another one next to it. And one more on each foot. And that's it for the feet. Lastly, let's add the tail. On the left side, let's draw a wavy line out and down. And the same thing underneath. And then close off the end. And that's it for the cat. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!